Welcome to the Astro. In this Python for Astronomy tutorial on Photutils, you are going to learn that how to make your source catalog and the properties of the detected sources using Photutils. So in our part 12 and part 11 tutorial, we have detected a source detection and done some segmentation map of the whole fits image. So total we have 355 sources from the fits segmentation map and deep blending. So in this tutorial we'll be making source catalog and the properties of the sources, like your center of the object, its flux, how much symmetry in the object, its say semi-major axis, semi-minor axis, and other properties, say how much pixel it is containing by the object. So let's do it. Okay, so for that we need to import one libraries. So import from here from Photutils dot segmentation import source catalog, right? So it will be used to derive your catalog properties of the object, right? Then give here catalog and you can recall a function called source catalog and see what parameters it takes. So it takes your data, it takes your segmentation image and your convolved data, and it takes error, etc, and background and cron parameters. So it takes radius of the cron parameters. So for timing we'll give our data, and then we can give our segmentation map. So this is parameter. So type here segmentation different and pass your convolved data, right? So we have convolved data here. You can check convolved data is here. So for that you can convolved data equal to convolved data, right? Now run it. Now see what your catalog. So print it catalog. So here you can see that you have like 355 object. Now you want to obtain the properties. Okay, so for that, for properties you need to just give here table equal to, or table say properties equal to, give here catalog equal to catalog dot to underscore table, right? So this is a function we will call. Now print it. Okay, so print table properties. See here you got so many things. I think there is some mistake. What is that? Okay, so you need to call here a function called catalog okay, so you need to call your function, forget, okay, and then run it. Okay, so here you got the properties of the sources. You can see here label, So in total you have like 355 objects. You have X centroid, you have Y centroid, a sky centroid, and then you have area in the pixel square, right? You have semi major, sigma, and for that, and you can look for more. You have orientation in the degree, you have eccentricity of the object, and then you have, say, your clone flux is there. The error is not number because we have not given the error, and we have like segmentation flux, we have local background, we have uh, other stuff, right? So this way you can extract your catalog from this source catalog, right? Now suppose you want to obtain only one column from this. So for that, just type here table properties and give a bracket, and suppose you want to your eccentroid, so you get your eccentroid here. Suppose you want to obtain table properties, so you want to obtain your, say, other parameter, say you want to obtain your flux, segment flux, okay? So you can obtain that. Segment flux. So you can also obtain your segment flux, right? So this way you can obtain this uh, obtain these parameters, right? So I will just here put here segment flux, right? So you go to a segment flux here. This way you can recall by just putting square bracket your bracket and giving passing your column name from the above. So this way you can obtain your source catalog of the detected objects. So simple code, and I hope it is helpful for you to find the source catalog and the properties of detected sources. Thank you.